Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 609. The title of today's lesson is The Difference Between Flavor and Flavoring. Okay, good. Somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. A flavor is a particular taste that a certain food or drink has. So it could be the original taste or the end result taste. Then we say it is the flavor. One may note in British English, flavor is spelled with an additional U. So in British English, it is spelled F-L-A-V-O-U-R. The same applies to flavoring, too. The British spell it with a U, Americans don't. So let's continue. So flavoring is when a substance is added to food or drink in order to give something a special flavor. The main purpose of flavoring is to change, enhance, or modify a particular flavor. So flavoring has to be some other substances added to change the flavor. So it can never be the original flavor. So it must be something that's purposely added. All right, let's continue. All right, now we got 8 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Yeah, we would definitely only use flavor here. We may not know if flavorings have been added or not. We don't know. So we wouldn't say, what is your favorite flavoring? That would be really weird. So in this case, we only say, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Number 2, I don't like the flavor of this drink. Again, it's the end flavor, so only flavor. It would not be flavoring here. Number 3, this milk has a sour flavor. It is going bad. So again, in this case, it's the end taste, so it is just flavor. All right, number 4, this dish is too bland. It needs more flavor. Yeah, sometimes we use the word flavor, meaning that it should have like a stronger or better one as well. Okay, good. Number 5, this drink is very healthy. It doesn't have any artificial flavorings. All right, so in this case, we're stressing that they didn't add those extra things that maybe this person might think may not be completely healthy. Even though it may make it taste better, it may not be completely healthy. So in that case, we would use flavorings. All right, number 6. A lot of fast food has chemical flavoring added to it. So again, these are the additional things to change the flavor, probably to try to at least improve the flavor. In that case, we would use flavoring. So these two definitely flavoring. All right, number 7 here. In the past 2 decades, they started adding flavorings to creamers to spice up the flavor of the coffee. Yes. So they had these special creamers that added, well, in this case, both would be okay. You could say flavoring or flavor. So these last 2 both could apply. All right. And number 8 here. Many coffee shops have a topping bar or a toppings bar to add additional flavorings to your coffee, such as nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, mocha, etc. Yeah, like I think Starbucks used to have it, and a number of them do have it. When you could already order the coffee, but you could go there and they may have some additional powder you could shake on. You know, maybe it could be just some sugar powder or some nutmeg or cinnamon. So these are extra flavorings that you can add to spice up that coffee that was already made for you. In this case, we can say flavorings. Or we could also say flavor here. So in the last 2, both are okay. In the first 4, it should just be flavor, and the middle 2, of course, would be just flavorings. Okay, anyway, hope you got it. Hope it's clear. Hope you got a better feel of when you would use one and when you would use the other. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.